This video was created to provide information for those wishing to learn about car insurance market in Colorado. Before starting the video, remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, put a like and a comment under the video. It's free for you and very important to me. Thank you for your generosity. I will present you several official statistics and figures that will allow you to choose your car insurance in Colorado. In 2021, there were 92,475 car accidents on Colorado state roads, with several fatal car accidents and 691 people who were died. In addition, Colorado state has a very high number of traffic accidents each year. In Colorado, the number of car accidents has increased by 15% in just 1 year, which is a very worrying statistic for the years to come. It is therefore on this basis that we will be able to begin our analysis of data concerning car insurance in Colorado. First of all, you have to understand that the price of car insurance varies greatly depending on age. Indeed, teenagers tend to be charged more because they are generally the category of people who are the least experienced and who are involved in the most accidents in Colorado. Thereafter, the prices tend to fall according to age because people who start to be 30 years old, but also those of 40 or 50 years old, are those who have the fewest accidents because they have a lot of experience. Thus, having a good driving record can significantly lower the price of car insurance for people of this age. After age 70, drivers begin to age and experience diminished alertness when driving on the roads. The price of insurance therefore tends to increase from the age of 70. There are different car insurance companies in Colorado. All these companies have specific pricing for each customer based on their age, driving history, driving style, type of car, and many other criteria. Rates can therefore vary enormously between two car insurance companies. To find the right insurance company, it is important to get at least 3 quotes from different insurers. According to experts, doing this allows you to compare prices, offers and associated services and the characteristics of insurance before making your final choice. We can now take a look at various statistics concerning car accidents in Colorado. Indeed, these elements will make it easier for us to understand the importance of the car insurance market and how it is possible to reduce the annual price of your car insurance as much as possible. In Colorado, distractions are the main cause of car accidents for 44% of them. This category includes elements such as mobile phones, but also everyday problems such as professional work or couple problems that make drivers less attentive. Then comes speeding and driving under the influence of alcohol with 23% and 15% of car accidents in Colorado. We also find bad weather with 11% of car accident. Bad weather can cause accidents with rain, which can make the tires slip more easily. Similarly, the sun, when it comes from the front, can dazzle and drivers drive more riskily. Improper turning is placed in the category of speed because generally, speed and bad turns are linked to cause an accident. In Colorado, distraction and speed make 67% of car accidents. A person who has committed one of these offenses will automatically have a much higher car insurance price than a driver who has never had this type of cause that can induce an accident more easily. A good way to pay less for your car insurance is therefore simply to be a good driver who does not drive too fast, who is not distracted, and who does not drive when he has drunk alcohol. Every day in Colorado, there are around 253 car accidents occurred. That's about more than 10 accidents every hour, so it is on the average of the United States in comparison with the other states. Moreover, although there are many accidents in Colorado each year, the number of injuries is quite high compared to other states. Indeed, there are more than 3,000 people who are seriously injured by car accidents each year in Colorado. Young drivers are involved in many car accidents. People with an age between 21 and 25 are the most exposed group in car accidents, with 83 people died of this age category in 2021. That can be explained that the prices offered by insurance for people of this age are higher than for older people. Another interesting figure is the fact that 73% of people who died in car accidents in the state of Colorado are men, whereas women are only 27% to die in car accidents. These data express the presence of road accidents in Colorado every day. This also explains why insurance companies apply sometimes high prices in their contracts. Car insurance rates vary greatly in different cities in Colorado. We were not able to collect a lot of data concerning the price of car insurance for each city in Colorado. Indeed, it is mainly in the central axis extending from north to south of the state that car insurance prices are transmitted. The cities of Denver, Colorado Springs and Pueblo are the most expensive for car insurance. Conversely, cities on the edge of the state such as Fort Collins or Grand Junction offer lower rates. Most metropolitan areas also tend to have a higher cost of living, meaning the costs of car components like doors or wheels and labor to assemble parts and repair them are more expensive, as is medical care. The gender type criteria is often put forward by insurance companies in order to adjust the rates of car insurance contracts. Indeed, men tend to be the most involved in car accidents because they are likely to engage in risky behavior. Thus, some insurance companies prefer to predict accidents by charging more expensive car insurance contracts for men. If you are a man, it is therefore possible that you will have to pay a little more for your car insurance than women. As we have said before, having good driving on the roads is one of the best ways to reduce your insurance costs. When you are subject to traffic tickets, accidents, or convictions for impaired driving, insurance companies are more likely to consider you a risky driver. So, these kinds of convictions such as speeding tickets and at-fault accidents can dramatically increase your annual insurance rates because the insurance company will take a lot more risk to insure you if you are a bad driver. Impaired driving is arguably the most serious offense for insurance. A case of driving under the influence such as alcohol can cost you thousands of dollars a year in premiums and insurance costs and can stay on your driving record for life in Colorado. This means that you will always pay more for insurance than other drivers. The total amount people are willing to pay for car insurance also depends on the cost of living in the state of Colorado. As we can see from the graph, car insurance represents only 7.3% of the total expenses of the population in Colorado. The most important expense being the rent or the repayment of the housing loan. Next come expenses for children such as healthcare, school and other toys to buy. There is of course food and property tax, which represents an important part of family expenses. It is important to manage your budget well and note all these expenses to be sure to pay for car insurance that is not too expensive and above our budget. There are two different types of rates for car insurance in Colorado. Indeed, there is a minimum insurance with basic insurance services and which is therefore mandatory to drive safely. The average annual minimum coverage premium for car insurance in Colorado is $495 at minimum. In addition, it is also possible to subscribe to a full coverage car insurance, which thus makes it possible to be insured against many problems related to the possession of a car such as broken car windows or theft. It is also possible to be protected against certain accidents with specific causes. In Colorado, the average annual full coverage premium for car insurance is around $2,019. The credit score is very important in the pricing of the insurance contract. This is valid for all insurances. Indeed, if a driver's credit score is low, the price of his car insurance will tend to increase sharply because he will be much more likely to have driving problems. Insurance companies therefore anticipate that the person with a bad credit score will be more likely to make claims and ultimately cost the insurance company more money. Credit score rates are therefore based on the risk that the insurance company takes to insure a bad driver and the likelihood that he will be involved in a traffic-related problem. To obtain car insurance coverage, drivers must also pay third-party liability charges used by the insurance in the event of bodily injury or property damage resulting from an accident. These costs are therefore divided into bodily injury per person, bodily injury but also property damage per accident. Don't hesitate to put a like under the video and write a comment to tell me how much you pay for your car insurance. Also remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel and watch the other videos on the YouTube channel. Have a very good day and see you soon.